Hello, and welcome back to Healthy Lifetalk. We are so happy to have you here with me today. In this video, we are going to show you something amazing. We are going to explore the world of natural, chemical-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and silicone-free hair care. We are going to make our own homemade shampoo that is rich in protein and made with pure and nourishing ingredients. This shampoo will cleanse your hair, strengthen it, and make it more elastic. It will also protect your hair color and prevent it from fading or graying. This shampoo is a game changer for your hair's health and beauty. So, are you ready to join me on this transformative journey? Let's get started. Before we jump into this fantastic DIY recipe, we want to remind you that taking care of our hair naturally can work wonders. Many of us face hair problems due to chemicals in commercial products. That's why today's recipe is all about a chemical-free protein shampoo that you can easily make at home. This shampoo will cleanse your hair and nourish it with essential proteins and vitamins. It will also help prevent hair fall, dandruff, and split ends. Let's talk about the star ingredients that will make your hair dance with happiness. We are using natural amla powder, a powerhouse of nutrients. Amla is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals that promote hair growth and strength. We'll also add flaxseed and rice powder for that extra protein boost. Flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acids that moisturize and condition your hair, while rice powder adds shine and smoothness. And, oh yes, cloves. Just a tablespoon of cloves to intensify your hair treatment. Cloves have antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that soothe your scalp and prevent infections. Are you ready to make your own homemade shampoo that will nourish and cleanse your hair? Let's begin by gathering the ingredients. You will need a saucepan, strainer, and powders: amla, soapberry or Reetha, shikakai, cloves, flaxseed and rice. You can find these at your local health store or online. The measurements are 1 tablespoon of each powder, except for soapberry or Reetha, for which you will need 2 tablespoons. You will also need 4 glasses of water to make the shampoo base. Once you have everything ready, add all the powders and the water to the saucepan and mix well to avoid any clumps. Then, stirring occasionally, place the saucepan over low to medium heat and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. You will see some foam forming on the surface, but don't worry, that's normal, and it means that the shampoo is getting ready. After the cooking time is over, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down slightly. Then, use the strainer to filter out the solid bits and collect the liquid in a plastic container or bucket. This is your homemade shampoo, which is gentle, natural and suitable for all hair types. It does not contain any sulfates or harsh chemicals that can damage your hair or scalp. If you are looking for a shampoo that will transform your hair from dull and dry to shiny and healthy, look no further than this chemical-free protein shampoo. This shampoo is unlike any other because it is made with natural ingredients that nourish and protect your hair. It does not strip your hair of its natural oils and enhances its strength and elasticity. It also helps preserve your hair's natural color by preventing it from fading or turning gray. Whether you have curly, straight, thick or thin hair, this shampoo will work wonders for you. And the best part is, you can use it as often as you like without worrying about damaging your hair or scalp. You have just made your own DIY chemical-free protein shampoo using natural and simple ingredients. This shampoo is gentle, effective, and easy to make. It will cleanse your hair, nourish it, and make it stronger and more elastic. It will also preserve your hair color and prevent it from fading or graying. Your hair will love this shampoo, and you will love how your hair looks and feels. Why not try this shampoo and see the results for yourself? And please let me know how it works for you. We would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing DIYs and hair care tips. See you next time. Until then, stay naturally beautiful.